come in to the right, we have this little wet bar area. Got a sink and a little coffee maker, a few coffees and tea. Let's see here. Oh, there's the mini fridge. I got the door open so we can hear the noise from the street. So here's the living room area. This little L-shaped couch. It doesn't look very good right there. Hole in the couch. So, big TV with a desk. And we got plenty of outlets and USB ports. Okay, here's the balcony. 2 chairs and a table. There's the Santa Cruz Wharf over there. Santa Cruz Beach straight ahead. You come in, that's Beach Avenue right there where that white car is going by. And then you turn up the street for the hotel and turn in here to the parking lot. The lobby's right there. So there is actually a very small pool on site, which I didn't see listed on the website. Apparently it's not heated, but it was pretty crowded today. I've got to admit, I was surprised and disappointed because I thought I was booking a room that faced Beach Street and was directly on Beach Street, so with a direct view of the ocean and the beach, but instead my direct view is this. I asked the desk receptionist about that, and he said, oh no, those are the king regular suites or something. You got the upgraded one. And I was like, well, I wanted the beach view though. And he was like, well, you should have called us. So I just booked through their website. So that was a little bit frustrating. I'm paying the top price for this room thinking I was going to get that full beach view. So anyway, nice decor. The bed looks nice. There's covered in here another great big TV, desk, and let's see if there's any. Ooh, look what happened when I tried to open the cabinet. That's not great. Okay, what have we got? We got some hangers and looks like an extra blanket and safe down there. And let me show you the bathroom. It's hard to open. Okay, here it is. Yeah, that mirror, that's kind of cool with the light inside the mirror. We have got lotion and hand wash. There's a magnifying mirror. Some makeup towels. Let's see what this is. Vanity and makeup remover. Shower, no bathtub. Let's see what it's interesting. What do you call it? handle is over here and the shower head's over here. So we got shampoo, conditioner, and bath gel. Okay, here we are at the rooftop deck. This is also on the 4th floor. And look at this. So there's the boardwalk. Santa Cruz Beach. Live over here. There's the volleyball nets all set up along Santa Cruz Beach. And the wharf. Pretty good view. Okay, so I got moved to a new room that actually has an ocean view. Let me give you the tour here. So this room is actually quite a bit cheaper than the room I previously had, which had a partial ocean view. So it looks like the same kind of setup. Let's see if this handle stays on. Yeah, same thing, safe. Fridge down there, bed, and let's check out that ever important view. There's the handle. Now this is what I wanted. Thumbs up for this view now. I'm happy. I just noticed the desk here is really scratched up. It's kind of strange. I don't know what the heck people were doing. But there is a little luggage place over here, so. Got a pretty good view from bed for a nap. Now that I've got my new room